Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to increase cell size in Excel. So let's start. Simply select the cells and go to the Home tab. In Font Group, have a Font Increase Size and Font Decrease Size option. So just click on this A and see the cell size is increasing. When you click on this Decrease Size, you can see the cell size is decreasing. And if you want a particular size, so you can enter here the font size. There 11 is a default font size. So if you want to increase size, just enter here anything. So I just enter 26 and you can see the cell size is increase. Okay, if you want to decrease, you can mention the that way. Okay, 7. I just mentioned here 7. See, the cell size is decreasing. Okay, and this I just one cell selected, okay? And if you want more than one cell, then you can select here accordingly. So suppose I select here range of cell, then same as go to the Home tab in Font Group, same option increase and decreasing the cell size. Just click on to increase. You can see the changes over here. The cell size will increase, okay? To decrease, just click on the decrease size. You can see the changes over here. Okay, you can manually enter here also. So I just enter here 26 and see the changes here. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.